Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to the next video. In our previous video we learned how to change the color of the elements, we learned how to position them properly. Now we're going to learn a little bit about the details of things. So one way we can do this is through margins. Okay, we're going to learn about margins today. So as you can see your button, click me, there is no gap between the button and the image. Alright, there is a small gap, but let's say I wanted to increase that gap. What I can do is I can use a margin. So if I type top and I type margin, whoops, just type top, okay, and you can see down here it comes up margin top. Okay, so you can just press enter and then you just type how far away you want your, or rather how much margin you want your button and your image to have. So let's say I wanted it to have 10 dp's worth of margin, so I'll type 10 dp, and as you can see the image has now moved away from the button. As there's now 10 dp's of margin from the image to the button, as there's 10 dp's above this button. So you can do the same for the bottom. Let's say I wanted bottom margin, so I'll type bottom, press enter, and then I type 10. So now as you can see the button and the text has now 10 dp's distance. Okay, let's say I wanted margin surrounding my entire button, both top, bottom, left and right. I can just type margin, okay, and then it says select the first one, okay, you press 10. As you can see now there is margin at the top and bottom, although you cannot see the left and right, but there's margins there as well. Okay, so it's the same for left and right, so but you can't really see left and right, so we won't do that. Alright, so moving on, beyond that, you can also use paddings, okay, but it's not common that we use padding, so we'll leave that for another day. And let's see, paddings, margins, color. What else can we go?